somewhat. You might be able to hear me. So finally was able to take out the kayak, the Three Waters kayak Big Fish 120, which I'm currently in now. Overall, I'd say it's, I can't believe how stable that it is, considering the size of me. I'm 6'1", around 250 pounds, and you know, standing up in it, no problem casting. Plenty of room for storage. Still trying to figure out how I want everything laid out. So overall, I'm happy with it. I think it was a good buy for $1,000. As you can see, plenty stable. It's a little heavy getting in and out of the truck, but that's to be expected with something of this size. So I highly suggest it. So I'll keep you guys in the loop, and you know, as I get other products for it, and you know, do some modifications to it, keep you posted. So but that's it for right now.